If you think you can't build your social media brand because you think that your business is boring for those platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, then this video is for you. What I'm going to show you is 3 ways you can find inspiration on the internet so you can start creating content that is going to help you build your brand, engage with your target market, so that way you can get more business, more leads, more referrals, whatever you want. Cool? So sit comfortably because I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so let's start. So what you see here is the mind map that I'm working on. I just had to edit this because it wasn't making sense to me. I couldn't even explain it. But basically, this is the core topic of this mind map, this project, which is basically to help you go from boring and lame to being magnetic and entertaining on social media or offline as well, if that's something that you would like to know more about. Okay, but let's just start with this. What can we do to start building your brand on social media? Building your brand on social media means creating a presence for your company on social media platforms and using those platforms to share the human side of your business or brand, expertise, offers, deals, giveaways, etc. Right? So that's why we're doing that. And because we know that most of our audience are already on social media, then we have the responsibility to communicate with our audience on these platforms. And I can't stress this enough. You have to be on social media. I'll give you an example. My sister, she's an insurance agent. And in the place she works at, she's been told that the new way to acquire customers, referrals, is through social media. So that industry, those people who are working in that industry, they need to start posting content, not about what they're selling, but they have to start creating content that will help them engage with a community that will potentially become customers. It's just like going to an event where you see someone that you really like. You will approach this person and build rapport before you ask that person to go on a date. Right, so let's just continue. So the reason why I want to focus on videos is because most of the social media platforms that have been adopted by businesses and brands, they're pushing videos. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, they are just pushing video content because that's what people want on those platforms, right? Now that we're going to focus on video, the first thing that I want you to learn is to find inspiration so you can see that it's possible for you to create similar content for your business and brand. So let's just click here. I got here 5 different ways to find inspiration on certain social media platforms and websites. But today I want to cover these 3, okay? Google Trends, Pinterest, and hashtags. Let's go with Google Trends. So the reason we want to go on Google Trends is because we want to find out what people are really searching for in that particular industry, insurance. So what we can do is just to type here, let's say car insurance. So I don't want to worry about this area right now. What I want to do is to go to related queries. So you have car accident lawyer, Baltimore. People are searching for that for some reason. So we can see here that a lot of people are searching for car accidents, really. But they are actually searching for the term lawyer, which is very interesting. It makes me think, if you're an insurance agent and you see that they're searching for lawyers and you're not a lawyer, you're an insurance agent, what I would do in that case is to contact a lawyer friend, or you can even reach out on social media to any lawyer that's been very proactive on their social media account. Those lawyers that are building their brands properly on social media. And you can ask them to go on an Instagram live with you so you can introduce them to your audience and he or she can introduce yourself to their audience. And you can talk about topics that are beneficial to your audiences. And of course, if you guys are in the same location, I would encourage you to cross promote each other. You can have flyers or business cards from this lawyer in your office and vice versa. So work together in collaboration so you can build your brand together, so you can get well known and grow online together. Collaborating with other online brands is only going to help you grow faster and build credibility as well around your business. So do that too. Okay, so that's a little tip right there. Another thing that you can do, once you know that, now you can see that most of the places that are searching for this particular term, they are New York, Tennessee, South Carolina, Alabama, and Georgia. So if you're going to run an ad campaign, I will suggest to target these places really, really hard. Now, what if we want to come up with creative ideas for our content? That's why we have Pinterest, okay? This is one of the things that you could do. And I'm not saying that you create a photo or images. People are watching videos these days. For example, here is 13 tricks on car insurance. Now, you don't have to talk about 13 tricks. It could be 3 tricks, a very short video, make it short and simple. So Pinterest is a great platform for that. Now, the third way to find inspiration on the internet is by going to Instagram as well and using hashtags. As you can see, I'm using the hashtag car accident. And to get to this page, you only have to type car accident here and click on the hashtag, and that's it. It'll show you a bunch of different videos. Now, you can go through all these videos yourself. I don't understand why there's a chiropractor here. Maybe he's talking about when people have a car accident. But anyway, you have different examples here. Cool. The one that is popping up to me, which is basically what we need to do, we have to find a video that might be interesting. This one, for example, here is popping up as well, because what happened to that guy? Whoa! You can use something like that. You can actually download a video like this so you can repost it on your Instagram account and kind of like edit it. And when I'm saying editing it, you just have to show the video, and then after that video, you can talk about what's happening in that video and why it's so important to have an insurance when you're driving like a maniac. But yeah, that's an example right there. Another one that I really like. Well, let's just go to this one. I'm just curious because I haven't seen these examples before. All right, so someone is driving like crazy. Now, think of this. So imagine showing this video with you talking over the video, maybe with a video of you talking about what's happening in this scenario. Maybe talking about the importance of self-awareness when you're driving a car, and talking about you not having control on other people's way of driving. That's why you really have to be present. So talking about those topics, it's only going to help you engage with those people who have the same mindset. That sort of information is also magnetic. It's also going to help you attract the right customer to your business. So talk about those things. And while you're talking about those things, then you start talking about the importance of having a car insurance. So all you're doing right now is searching for content that is going to help you share the message that you really want to share with your audience in a more entertaining way, in a way that is in line with the platform that your audience is on. That's why I don't recommend insurance agents or any other type of businesses that are kind of like similar to those ones. I recommend them to stop posting photos of themselves only, photos of their phone numbers, photos saying, oh, look, sign up now, call me now. Stop doing that. Start grabbing people's attention with things that people are already liking. As you can see here, 1,500 likes, 1,100 likes there, 70,000 views in this one. Look at that. And no wonder why. Like if you see that, well, this is a lot too, and that's a lot too. But that one, it says Tesla. Capitalize on that. Why am I talking about this? It's because we know that Tesla and Elon Musk is on the news all the time. It's on social media all the time. So capitalize on that, because the algorithm is going to help you push this to your audience, to the audience that you really want to market. Look at that video. It's crazy. Same thing. You can have the same video playing, you talking over it, and talking about the importance of having a car insurance. As simple as that. You can even say, like, I'm sure Elon Musk can cover the cost for that building, but can you if you don't have the right car insurance? Huh? Do you like that? Okay, so this example that I just shared is to basically help you start thinking that we need your voice, that we need your message. No matter what business you have, we need you on social media because that's where people are hanging out the most. That's only going to help you build your business, build your brand, and get more customers. So I hope this video really gives you some ideas. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out on this platform. I'm always around.